Welcome, in front of me is a Redmi Note 10 Pro, and today I'll show you how to record your screen on this device. And to get started, all you need to do is pull down the notification panel, expand it, and you should find the toggle for screen recorder somewhere in the toggle sections, but for me it's on the second page right here in the corner. So once you find it, you can either tap on it to immediately start recording or hold it, and this will take you to the settings where you can customize how it will record, or well, after you tap on the settings icon. So as you can see from here, we have access to resolution, bit rate, orientation, sound sources, frame rates, and so on. So going quickly over this, I'm going to set it up to be at the highest recording capability. So as you can see, 1080p as the highest bit rate. Okay, 100 megabits per second is a little bit an overkill, so I'm just going to go with a 32. Orientation, I will keep it as it is. This will probably solve a little bit of problems later on if you plan to record often. Sound source, we have one or the other. For some reason we don't have both options, so we have mute, mic, or sound system. So choose whichever one you want to record. Then below that we have frame rate. I would advise you to stick with the fixed frame rate. Otherwise, the device will be flipping between the frame rates depending on what it thinks it should record at. And sadly there is no 60 frames, so I'm gonna set it up to be at least 30. And from there, at the bottom, we have a couple additional toggles. So we have lock screen to end. So basically when you lock the device, it will end the recording. Show touch gestures, I will enable just so you can see how it looks like. It will show basically wherever I touch the screen. Visualize navigation buttons, so show prompts when pressing home, menu and the back button, as you can see. And then go back to screen recorder. So that is when you stop recording, it will go to here. So I don't really want that, so I didn't check it on. And also, that was the last option, so I'm just gonna leave and go back to the toggle. Simply tap on it and it will automatically start recording, which you can see right over here. And from here, whatever I do, as you can see, there's a circle following me. That is just to signify where I am touching the screen. And overall, whatever I will be doing right now will be recorded, which you can see once I stop the recording. Now that recording that I have just finished can be found in my photo gallery. So I'm gonna locate gallery application, go to albums, and you can see it right here, screen recording. Tap on it and voila. So as you can see, this is basically the screen recording, not much more to it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.